We have Christian Coleman presenting the Evergreen Realty Virtual Office. Christian, I'm turning it over to you.
Thank you. Welcome to the Virtual Office Tour. This demonstration will walk you through how to access and go through the Virtual Office. It will be posted on the Virtual Office, but let's begin and show everybody how to access the Virtual Office. To access the Virtual Office, it can be done from any point on the screen of our Evergreen Realty page. If you look down here about 3/4 of the way down on the left-hand side, you will see a Virtual Office button. This Virtual Office button can be accessed on any one of our pages as well. So to access the Virtual Office, very similar to the way we used to do it before, you just simply click on the Virtual Office icon. It then takes you to an area that asks you for your username and password. We tried to create a username and password that was easy for everybody to remember. And what we did was we decided to go with the username of your first name dot last name, all in lowercase. And then what we wanted to do was we wanted to have a password that was unique to everybody. So we decided to make all of our passwords the 3 to 5 digit code on the back of your key. Let me show you some examples right now. As you can see, this is what a lot of the keys look like. As you're looking at the back of your key, some of the numbers have rubbed off. You can see partial numbers. Some of them are faded, and you just really can't read them. If your key looks like this, please email your office manager and ask them for the 3 to 5 digit password that is unique to yourself. For those of us that can actually read our keys look like this. In some instances, you will just see the 5-digit code etched into your key. This one is 40804. In some instances over here, you're going to have 2 sets of numbers. We are looking for the group of numbers that is either 3 or 5 digits in length. For example, this one is 04105. Now, the important thing to note is if your key starts with a 0, or in this instance 2 zeros in the front, you do not use the zeros. You would only use 131 on this key, or 4105. And the key below it obviously has the full 5-digit number. So you're going to use either your 3, 4, or 5-digit number to access the Virtual Office. So I'm going to go ahead and punch mine in now. And the site automatically takes you to the Virtual Office. And you'll notice it looks different than the way it did before. We have the Virtual Office up here. And below that here, we have different ways that you can stay connected to us. We spent a great deal of time putting together all of the social media tools that are out there today, and we will continue to add to these as we move along. But each one of these little thumbnails represents a different social media connection that you're going to want to be connected with. Each one will connect you to that specific place. The first one is our blog. We have a real estate blog, and a lot of great information is there. A lot of agents are putting information on there as well and sharing information with others. The next one is the LinkedIn. If you haven't been to a LinkedIn page, it's a great way to connect with other agents as well and other individuals out there in the community for business. The F, of course, is the Facebook. Currently, we have a couple hundred agents on the Facebook. We recommend that everybody stay connected. This is where you can learn what's going on in your office and your company, as well as stay connected with a lot of the agents and talk about everything from open houses to new homes that are coming on the market. And then we have our Twitter page, which again links you to all of the things that we're tweeting about in the community. Below that, we have a little bit of verbiage here that talks about the Virtual Office, but notably, where it says front homepage, if you were to click this, this will automatically direct your computer to land on this page every time you log in. The reason that we've done this is we wanted to create a page or a site where everything that you need to connect to is here. And we're going to go through that now. We're going to start with, if you look, we have three different bars. We have the agent tools, the agent business development, and the agent paperwork and setup. We're going to start with agent tools. All you simply need to do is to click on this, and it will open everything up down below. As you can see, there's quite a few thumbnails here. We have our CMR MLS. If you click this, it automatically takes you to all of your MLSs that you need to access to log in to get on the multiple. And they're all right here. Very simple. We have our zip forms, so you can connect directly to zip forms. Again, we wanted to create a site where everything that you needed to do, you can do directly from Virtual Office. If you want to connect with Wells Fargo, simply click on that. It will connect you to our main contact, who is Hope Borman at Wells Fargo, and she is the branch manager. EVR lending, of course, we want to have our EVR, family of companies, on here. Connect you here, and then you can link to whomever you wish to. First American Title, we have our Crest Home Warranty. And right here we have escrow options. We are in the process of building the escrow options website as well, and we're very excited to get that going. If you would like to be connected to a transaction coordinator, simply click on this. You can then click on their name. It will direct you to the email, and you can email them your desires of what you are looking for. Again, you can click on either the words or the thumbnail picture if you wish. Now, some of these icons are coming. We have inspection companies. What we're going to do is you will be able to click on that here in the coming months, and it will ask you which office you're in, and then it will link you to a couple different inspection companies in that area. Same with our service providers as well as termite. Below that, we have our natural hazards report. Simply clicking on that will take you to all the reports that you'll need. And then we have this real estate links. It's really neat. It's called Agent Quick. It takes you to a ton of different places and different sites here in Orange County. It's very exciting. So you can click on that and kind of look around there. Now, if you want to be connected to the DRE, simply click here. You have two options. You can either go to e-licensing if you're in the process of renewing your license, or if you want to go to the main site, you just click on the main site and it automatically takes you there. Same with CAR, NAR, and all of the boards of realtors. So you have the list of your boards here. You simply click on one of the boards and it automatically takes you there. So again, all of the things that you need to deal with on a day-to-day or monthly basis are all here. Now you can simply click on this bar, it will close everything up again, or you can leave it open and click on the next bar, which is Agent Business Development. I'm going to go ahead and close it now so it's not confusing. And let's click on Agent Business Development. In Agent Business Development, this is more for day-to-day activities of things that you're going to need to grow your business. We have your emails. This will connect you directly to your Evergreen emails. First-time users, it'll walk you through, and it will also tell you how to connect it to your Outlook. But if you want to go directly to the email, simply click, go to email, and you're there. Here is our Evergreen store. In our Evergreen store, this is